Hello everyone, this is Pooja. So, this is my first YouTube channel where I'll just explain about some Japanese grammar pattern, goi or kanji, or some notes which I have accumulated so far. I'm studying Japanese, and the other day I was going through some question paper. In that point where I got to know about the shikanene. Okay, so let's get into the point and I'll explain it to you. This grammar is used when you are worried that something bad or dangerous could happen. Okay, it basically means like might end up doing something bad, could lead to a negative result, warning plus worry. Okay, like you can see here, this is not just might do, something bad might can happen. Okay, it's used to warn or express worry that someone might be doing. Let's straight get into the sentences. 彼は怒ると何をしかねない When he gets angry, he can do anything bad. Okay, the second sentence is like その発言は誤解を生みかねない This statement basically could lead to misunderstanding. 誤解を生みかねない If it's still like nai in this pattern, we might think it's like not or this, but might do. He can do. So it's not like not do, but it's do, but can do something bad. That's why it has negative nuance. Okay. And if you think shikanenai like warning plus worry plus risk, you will definitely understand. I hope you have understood the explanation so far. If you still have some doubts or some comments, please put it in the comment box and make your own example sentences so that you will get to know how much understanding you have about this particular grammar. Okay then, yeah, bye bye. If you have any questions, please put in the comments, subscribe, and yeah, gambaro.